Earlier this month, we reached a pretty significant milestone here at Dubo Law that honestly wasn't even on my radar to do for the longest time, which was we were able to run our first ever Super Bowl commercial. Thinking back to when we started less than 7 years ago at a folding table in my basement with one employee to where we are today and to be in a position not only to have grown to a firm of 11 people, but to actually be in a position to be able to run a Super Bowl commercial and everything that comes along with that really gave me the opportunity to take stock of where we are and how grateful we are and I am for all of you, for our clients, our partners, our supporters, everyone who has put their trust and confidence in us here at Dubo Law. And hopefully, we've been able to validate that. Our growth would not have been possible without any of you. And again, take this opportunity when we're celebrating this milestone to thank you all and to ensure that you understand that this is just another um, stepping stone towards continued growth. And all it does is reinforce that we do things the right way here at Dubo Law, and we're going to continue to do things that way as we continue to grow and move forward. Thank you.